They say it's just different to drive a Honda. That's why we all know that one Honda fan who refuses to drive anything else. He'll buy a new Honda to park beside his older gen Honda, buy the same car in different generations, or choose both a Honda for his weekend car and his daily driver. And to be honest, we understand. And if you don't, then it's the perfect time to find out why for yourself here at the new look Honda booth at PIMS 2026. So what makes Honda the perfect daily companion? It's because their cars have a little bit of everything. Sporty, economical, and super handsome to boot. Plus, when you get inside the car, they all have that spirit of Omotenashi or Japanese hospitality where everything is laid out just right, just the right materials, just the right ergonomics, just makes it a special place to be in on a long drive. For example, you can put actual passengers and cargo in a Type R, and you can have as much fun on a mountain road in a Honda City hatch. And nothing shows Honda's do-it-all character better than the new Prelude Sport Hybrid. It's pretty much the first of its kind, the true daily driver car where you can have the sports car looks, the performance, the engagement, and without breaking the bank thanks to HEV technology. So HEV, what does it mean? Well, it's actually one of our favorite variants of HEV out there because it works with two motors. And we don't mean one gas, one electric. We mean two electric motors. One traction motor that drives the wheels and one to charge the battery, the generator. So you'll see how it works here with the display, but in a nutshell, the ICE engine only drives the wheels at high cruising speeds and everything else is handled by the traction motor. So you always get that nice EV drivetrain feel, and when you need it, the engine kicks in to give you more charge, more battery, more fun. Especially with the paddle shifters to handle your region braking, I really love that on any of these EHEV models. With EHEV tech, they got this big boy all the way up to 29 kml. And personally, I've been in the HRV on the way down from Baguio and we got 28 kml. Crazy numbers. Plus, with EHEV, there's no need to fiddle with plugs. It's gas and go. So what can you test drive here at PIMS with Honda? Only their full EHEV lineup like the Civic, every teenager and even grown man's dream sedan. You've got the HRV RS, which makes crossovers look super stylish. I wouldn't mind one of these at all. And the big boy EHEV, the newest one, the CRV RS all-wheel drive. We also have another EHEV in the form of the Prelude, but unfortunately, no test drives for that one. So Honda's Omotenashi, or their spirit of hospitality, isn't just something in the design of their cars, it's also something you can experience here at the booth. So, Event Passport, it's how you get all these freebies. So first of all, post and win, and you have a chance to get your very own set of Honda photo cards. There's a photo booth back there, so you can commemorate your PIMS trip. And you can learn about the EHEV wall, get those 3 activities down, and you get your free drink. Now, inquire for registration and you get a snack. And when you test drive, they'll also give you some merch and a nice drink of water and a cold towel afterwards in case it's so hot. So what are you waiting for? Head on down here and have the time of your life at PIMS and maybe even get boodled by some genuine accessories. So Honda will be here at PIMS 2026 from June 4 to 7 at the World Trade Center. See you there!